Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you on this lovely Monday? We're going to talk about a few things here, and some of it's just frankly stupid, but that's okay. It is October 8th, 2018. So let's start off with this. As I am doing this video blog, stocks are down, not by much. It is 7:05 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so the market's been open for just over half of an hour. The Dow Jones Industrial Average opened down triple digits. This is because we are seeing a worldwide market sell-off. And we are also seeing a worldwide bond market sell-off. So, again, the rhetoric that we have been hearing for I don't know how many years from all the professionals out there on the mainstream channel saying, oh no, don't worry about it. Yields can rise, in this environment and stocks are going to go higher with it. You got to be kidding me. I mean, these people are very nice. They're very, very nice. They just have no idea what they're talking about. I mean, for over a decade now, world central banks have suppressed interest rates and allowed a stock market bubble to inflate on the back of course, the debt bubble. You know that. So when in a reverse environment, regardless of the fist-feeding nonsense garbage about how we're in a worldwide recovery, no. Let me clue you in here. Europe is in a full-blown debt crisis, and we're in a full-blown debt crisis here in the United States. So it's a joke. Absolute joke. When you're watching one of the mainstream and you hear this from one of their professionals, call and just laugh into the phone. It's just too stupid. So, as I have been outlining for you, in fact, I spoke about this just yesterday in my Markets A Look Ahead segment, and I talked about it all last week, the dollar. The dollar is a big issue here, along with the bond market, for which the bond market is closed today. I want to talk about that too. But the dollar right now is the issue. It is markedly stronger. And again, I've covered that the stock market does not like the dollar strengthening here in this environment, with all the dynamics that we have in place here. Let me tell you what else it doesn't like it. Gold and silver, especially silver, are getting hammered, and I mean hammered. And I am sure that you must be very surprised to hear that. Am I correct? You're shocked. Cryptocurrencies are catching a very nice bid across the board. Now let's talk about a few things here. So the stock market opened down. Not anything major, but reasonable. And they're trying to prop it back up. There's a lot of bottom fishing going on. What I'm going to suggest for you lions out here, don't do this. Let's see what happens tomorrow when the bond market reopens, because I can promise you, if we see a continuation of a sell-off in the bond market and a dollar getting stronger, the stock market is going to get hammered. It's just the way it's going to go. So a lot of these guys right now, girls, are trading, I can't imagine who would be buying here, realizing that the bond market is closed. Well, maybe I can imagine, because look at me, okay? I'm a professional trader. This is all I do. I'm sitting back here. I have several open positions right now, which you can see right on my website, traderschoice.net. There is a link in the description of this video, all credit spreads. I'm still sitting pretty despite this market. But no rational trader, in my opinion, would be buying here, at least trying to get long. Today, the bond market could throw us a big curveball tomorrow, and if the dollar continues to get stronger, well, these people that are trying to bottom fish, they're going to get slaughtered. And let me tell you something, they're asking for it. So I am not going to enter a new position today on any side of this market. I'm going to sit back and just watch the game play out, the charade play out. That's what I'm going to do. Now, before I let you go, today at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, I am going to be doing another live Q&A segment from 5 to 5:30. So, if you have anything you want to ask me, that you want me to cover, have your questions ready. I will cover this again later, so you can get yourself ready. Anyway, let's watch this market. Bond market's closed. Dollar strength not good here. Stocks are trying to rebound. Some entity out here is buying it up. Hey, wait a minute. The Federal Reserve has a trading desk. Maybe it's them. I have no idea, because I can't imagine any of my friends that are full-time traders would be buying anything today. They're going to sit and wait until tomorrow when the bond market opens. Who knows what's going to happen? I have no idea. So with that, with it being a big void, I'm just going to sit back and watch. And that's what I would suggest to you as well. Anyway, keep your eye on that dollar. Watch the dollar today. That is going to be the big tell. Anyway, I'll see you at the end of this lovely trading day.